Here we are, super excited.
Hello everybody.
Yes, and Kruger 2025 is upon us already, and we have been very, very busy packing, buying food, making this video, and many other things.
Yes, because it is a 2-month trip this year, so we've got an extra few weeks to cater for and make sure that we have enough of everything.
Exactly, and while Elmarie has been busy in the house packing everything, I've been busy fixing the Butch.
Yes, the Butch has a few very distinctive and exciting new features. Some sexy camo stripes with some fun stickers create a new and exciting facelift. Our foreverfree.co.za website address is also very visible now.
On the roof, we fitted a strong LED spotlight, switched from the inside mirror console to make night driving a lot safer. On the dashboard, a new GPS speedometer fitted snugly into the gauge console with a new voltmeter for the lithium battery. Behind the driver's seat, a new 12 volt to 220 volt inverter fitted perfectly next to the lithium battery box, perfect for a low-powered LED light and to charge phones and camera batteries. The Butch is all good to go now, so bring on the ammo boxes. It's time to start packing. Since our last trip, two very exciting things have happened. The first one is we finished an 8-part series on Epic Kruger 2024, and we've had thousands of views, and we are super excited that is still up on YouTube, so please have a look. The second exciting thing which has happened was that Elmarie has written a book, and she has more to say on that.
Yes, I did indeed write the memoir about my life, unadoptically me, my story, my truth, my voice, and as a gesture of goodwill to all our followers, Keith has got something to say about that.
Yeah, Elmarie would like to give away 3 copies of her book to 3 lucky viewers of our YouTube channel. So if you'd like the book, please send us an email. You'll find the email address on our website, foreverfree.co.za, and all you have to say in the email is your name, your phone number where we can get hold of you, and the CA number or the registration number of the Butch,
which will be easy to find.
It's easy to find. It's on almost every video on YouTube, so please have a look, and please enter this little giveaway, and you could be the proud owner of Elmarie's new book.
And so, our 2025 Epic Kruger trip has finally arrived. Getting ready has taken almost a year, and now we are finally on the road with great excitement for what lies ahead. We can't wait to announce our arrival at Malalaan Gate on 29 April. See you there. Thank you for watching this episode. Our Epic Kruger 2025 trip from Bergendal to Balule and back to Crocodile Bridge continues in the next episode. Please like, watch and subscribe to stay informed. Polar Steps has a daily record of all our trips. Download the app or follow us on Footloose in Africa. All our links and info are on our website, foreverfree.co.za. You can also follow us directly on Facebook and Instagram or contact us via email. All the links are posted below. See you in the next episode or online. We love you. Keith and Elmarie.